Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make keto quiche. First, let's prepare our delicious low-carb crust. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of almond flour, 6 tablespoons of cold butter, and 1 large egg. Mix these ingredients until a dough forms, then press it firmly into a 9-inch pie plate. Bake this crust at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. This step ensures a perfectly crisp base for your quiche. Next, let's create the rich and savory filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 6 large eggs, 1 cup of heavy cream, and your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Separately, sauté about 1 cup of low-carb vegetables such as spinach or mushrooms, and half a cup of cooked protein like bacon or ham. Evenly spread these ingredients and 1 cup of shredded cheese into your pre-baked crust. Now it's time to bake our magnificent keto quiche. Carefully pour the whisked egg and cream mixture over the vegetables, protein, and cheese in the pie crust. Ensure the filling is evenly distributed. Place the pie plate into your preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 45 to 50 minutes, or until the center is set and the top is beautifully golden brown. A knife inserted near the center should come out clean. The final step is to let your keto quiche cool before serving. This is a crucial step for achieving perfect slices. Allow it to rest on a wire rack for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This cooling period allows the custard to fully set, preventing it from falling apart when cut. Once cooled, slice into 8 generous portions and savor your homemade low-carb masterpiece. It's perfect for any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.